There's one card in my wallet that's more powerful than all the others. Are you ready to find out which one it is? Normally people talk about all these different benefits that these cards can give you, but nobody really talks about what these cards can give you. And maybe you're like me. In 2021, my goal was to read at least one book per month. And guess what happened? I've surpassed that goal and almost doubled it in this year so far. All of it thanks to these very powerful cards and free audiobooks. Before, I was reading physical books, which obviously took a lot more time, but when I got into the hang of audiobooks, well, at the gym, on the go, it was what I was listening to. So how does this get you free audiobooks? Here's a little trick. The secret is in using these multiple apps. There's more than one way to do it, so you can pick your favorite. We have Hoopla, Cloud Library, your own library can even have an app, and Libby. Through these, what you're basically going to do is connect your library card, which is completely free to sign up. Just visit your local library and sign up. And you're going to input your library card onto these applications. And once you're connected, it's pretty simple and easy to do straight from your phone. So as you can see, for example, I personally love using Hoopla, and you have a wide variety to choose from. Each one has a different catalog, so check and see depending on what you're into reading. I personally stick to marketing, business, and basically personal development, which is everything that I've read so far right here. So a lot of these are on here. You have audiobooks, you have the digital version that you can actually send to your Kindle, so it is super, super cool to do. This is one of the ones that I've most recently listened to, and it's amazing. I use it straight here from the application. You can pause, speed it up, everything just as you would like to have it. So the coolest part about this is that literally it's free. You have it in the palm of your hands. You have different applications to choose from. And you may even be wondering, Laura, why do you have so many of these? So if you guys have been following along, you know that we move to a different city per year, which is why I've been collecting my library cards. You can even add multiple cards on these applications. So if you do move, you can get one in each different city that you're in. You can also buy a membership to a library. Let's say if where you're currently living doesn't have a cool library, doesn't have the biggest selection, you can buy. And I do know that some libraries even allow people out of the country to buy a membership. So that is amazing. And the memberships, when I looked at it, went for like $70, $80 a year, which is crazy because there's even more benefits that I'm gonna tell you about. But literally this is so powerful, so overlooked, and honestly the reason why I can zoom through so many books. And it's crazy because if we look at something like Audible, where even with a plan you only have access to one book, you can automatically see the difference. So for example, even if we had here with the 1 credit per month, $15.99 a year would basically be $191 when you have many of these books, if not all of them, on the other side for completely free. These are a lot of the ones that I've already read, and all of that you can find in these applications, guys. And hold on tight to find out how much I've saved in total by using these cards. So I've probably been using this audiobook hack for about 2, maybe 3 years. So let's do that 191 times 3, which would be 575. And the craziest thing, which so many libraries have no matter where you're in, is that they have so many other benefits besides that. But for us, Gabe and I, we used our local library as our office space for a complete year when we first started out our business. We didn't have an office space. We didn't have a space film to create, to have our meetings. And at our local library, they even had like these conference rooms. You could reserve them. You had big ones, you had small ones. We had so much space, and we used that for a complete year, building up our business, working with clients, starting our marketing agency. That was all built from the library. So if we factor that in, I think that's probably about more than $1,000 just, for that office space for a full year. The amount that I've gotten for free from these libraries is insane. So go to your local library, grab your library card, start reading your books, and let me know if you like these cool hacks. And if you're new here, hey, welcome to the YouTube family, and I hope you stay along. We have new videos every week, and it's going to help you to transform your online business. So I'll see you right back here on this same exact channel. Bye-bye.